AgenticFlow empower your business with a fully customizable no-code AI platform that builds a dedicated team of AI agents to automate your sales, marketing, and creative tasks around the clock without writing a single line of code. This seamless automation frees up your time and resources so that you can focus on strategic growth and innovation. Now I'm going to walk you through the demo of our product. You can click on try for free. It will go into the template page. In here we have dozens of featured agent templates. These are preview agents that designed for specific tasks and use cases. Well, first one is a customer support agent. Second is the marketer researcher, video editor, visual designer. We have tons more of AI agents that release every day that you can use. It's not only limiting in here. You can think of a workflow is kind of like Zapier or Make.com kind of thing, but specially designed, built from ground up for AI agent in order to seamlessly use. In the panel, you will see that the other thing that you can explore. You have a visual suite here. This is kind of like specialized image generation services that you can play around and try to do the remix of different images from our community, or you can just click on image generation. It will lead you to the different image generation form, which the dozen of like model that you can choose from, and you can search from our 200,000 model library as well in order to image that you want. Most importantly is the agent itself. I will go to each one and I will talk to our Pixie AI agent. I will ask her to generate an image about a Swiss woman for me. Look like it's done. Alright, look good. Can you change the address to dread? Yep. We will ask Pixie edit this image with AI. Look like it's done. Alright, look good. She have the dread dress, and let's see. Yeah. So this is the same woman. It's just changing the red to dread. We also have them in the built-in image editor as well. So sometimes like you just would like to have some other feature like the crop. Maybe you should do some rotation, zooming, and also some kinds of like frame you can also do as well. That is how Pixie can help you. But we are not just limiting into Pixie, our ultimate agent that doing the image generation and editing and so on. We have the entire platform for you to use. And one of our cool features is you can create a customer support agent that can operate on your shop and consult your customer. I will just copy the website and I will go here and just paste my URL and I will just click create for free. What it does is that it's going to the website of trickery.com. I'm not affiliate with them. Our AI is going to get the product catalog, mapping all of the product relationship in order to develop the first AI agent. This feature is perfectly matched for an agency when you have a lot of customers that you would like to build AI agent for them. It is going to save you a lot of time. It will take a few minutes to be completing, but for the sake of our time, I already finished it here. You can click on this one and it will go into the page that you can explore and also preview the AI agent on Trickery agent. It takes a few minutes to be done and you just need a URL to be done on this one. So in here, when customer coming into website, they can have a chat in here and they have a different box. Maybe we can ask them about website information and then see what is our agent responding. Alright, good. So this is weak, class, simple, accessible for everyone. Okay, can you share me some product? Let's see. Alright, good. So it lists some product here. What they sell? Okay. Passion, shell, online, long oil, sexual terminal. Wow. Okay. Okay, I will just click on this view product. It go here. Okay, this nice, right? And the price is also good as well. The agent is going to sell on behalf of you. Maybe what is your shipping and return policy? Okay. Oh, right now, there's no information on this one. But actually, if you don't have that, you can always just click on Edit Agent. It goes into FAQ here. They can always ask a question and answer later, or even like add a product catalog in here. we are going to talk about the agent profile. We give you a lot of flexibility to configure like the name, the description, or maybe the call instruction. What is the agent going to behave? You are a professional assistant for trickery, and this is the name of the trickery. And then what is the tool that the agent will use? They will use the production and FAQ, and it's going to do some kinds of like intent analysis in order to determine what is the customer want and so on. And this is some website information. I think trickery is not having information public available, but if you have, then you just type here with the email, and then the agent will know and then answer to the customer. We will give you a lot of advanced information as well. You can choose the language model. We have it all: OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, Intel, Meta, everyone. And you can just doing configuration, some metadata, and so on. You can also doing some connected source as well. So I will come back to this later. But basically, when you have your agent already, then you can just click on Add Tool. It will browsing all of the your tool in the template so that you can get, or maybe you can also tap it from our like our own template workflow. You can just add this one. You can scrap a URL. You can add a new workflow that's saying maybe TikTok hashtag related. It doesn't really relate it to our agent at all, but I think, all right, I will just not mess up this one. You can click save change and it's done. The agent is going to be updated with this one. And what next is that after you have your agent, then you need to embed the website. So we have Shopify, WordPress, and Facebook at the moment. We can have more as long as the way and customer just requests. For example, on Shopify, you click on Shopify, and then we have the instruction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. Then you just copy the snippet that we already have in here. Copy this one, and then paste that into the bottom of your body tag in here, and then save, and it's done. And the AI agent is going to be live on your site, and it's going to you can deploy an AI agent for your customer easy like that. This URL is also public as well. You can copy this one, send it to your customer so that they have the idea about what does it look like. I just walk you through a very easy about how to create your first AI agent. There's no effort at all, right? You just need to copy an URL and click done, and the agent will get it done for you. I will talk about the video as well, because we have our built-in AI generation services that can transform maybe just an emoji to white story, title, image, and even like doing some audio stuff like text to speech in order to render audio RAM video. Just play.
In a dusty Texas town, the sun set behind the saloon as...
Alright, so this is one video, and then it can be creating this kind of video as well.
In a dusty Texas town,
yeah, this is very popular in the TikTok and so on recently, right? But we just make it one click so that it's very easy for you to do. We are offering a full feature editor as well. You can click on this one. You can see the voice. You can choose different voice that we have all in voice, including 11 Lab, Google, Azure, and everywhere. You can even change the caption. Let me see. So what is the caption that we have here?
In a dusty...
Okay, this is a karaoke. Maybe I will change it to Mozi or Poplight. We can just increase and decreasing this one a bit, and maybe changing the font. Yeah, that's it. So you have it all. You can change in all of the stuff in here, and finally you click render and you have the video. I mentioned about the connectivity. We have a various connection that to major platforms, including OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, Replicate, FunAI, all out of the box. And also we're adding tons of integration as well. Finally, we also have the workflow system where you can have all of the JPLI workflow. So now about, so this call now about email is helping me to just input the sender name and title, and then recipient name, and then it will craft and code email for me. In the right code email is going to take all of the input, and then using a prompt of the GPT-4o, write subject, and also even send the email to me. I have sent an email before. This one is subject, collaboration, opportunity, innovation, and hi John, I hope you find well. This is just a code email generation that you can try. Alright, come back to this one. In here is not only you can trigger by click a button run, it will allow you to trigger by a table as well. You just need to add a new row here and then just click, and then you just pick an action and run run this one. And then you can add more or import or export the file in order to work it offline. You have full control about the log, like what is the historical run of this one or the success here. You can click on here to see like what is the details of the workflow have been done and what is the result as well. You can have the ability to share, which is you can allow your other people to clone a template, or maybe just click as a shareable link so that your people can use. So this look like an AI app. So I just click on this one. I will open a new tab and paste. And then you will see here is very simple. It's going to show you there's a form that having this one and hidden everything. So this one is going to help you in order to not going to break through all of this stuff. All right, good. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, thanks a lot. Bye.